The 2025-2026 season looms large for Mamelodi Sundowns, and at the center of the club's ambition stands head coach Miguel Cardoso. After a whirlwind debut campaign that ended in heartbreak in the CAF Champions League final, the Portuguese tactician now faces a defining pre-season that could shape his legacy at Leeuwkop. Cardoso's to-do list is extensive. Manage veteran icon Themba Zwane with care, give French players a fresh start, and make a definitive call on the future of Peter Shalulile. All of this while plotting Sundown's route to both domestic and continental dominance. The Brazilians will reconvene next week, fresh off their historic showing at the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup, a proud moment for the club and South African football. But the celebrations are now firmly in the review mirror. With the PSL, CAF Champions League, and MTN 8 on the horizon, Cardoso is tasked with laying down tactical and physical makers that will sustain the team through another demanding season. This pre-season isn't just a tune-up, it's the launchpad for what Sundowns hope will be trophy-laden campaign. Cardoso will need every session to refine his strategies, assess squad dynamics, and ensure the Brazilians are sharper than ever. Sundowns' domestic dominance is undisputed. 8 consecutive Premiership titles have cemented their place at the top of the local game, but the Acura struggle in the MTN 8, just 4 titles since 1988. First up, a tricky quarter-final clash against Richards Bay, the MTN 8 has become Orlando Pirates' playground in recent years, adding extra pressure and motivation for Sundowns to stake their claim. For Cardoso, winning this cup isn't just about silverware, it's about sending a message that Sundowns are hungry across every competition. Managing legends is never straightforward. Ask Miguel Cardoso. His decision to leave captain Themba Zwane out of both legs of the CAF Champions League final sent shockwaves through the fan base. The backlash was swift and vocal. Now Zwane remains a pivotal figure in the squad, but his role needs recalibration. His experience and leadership are priceless, yet his body can no longer handle the relentless demands of top-flight football week in, week out. A transparent, respectful conversation between player and the coach is vital to redefining his contributions in a way that preserves both his dignity and effectiveness. Cardoso must get this right. Mishandling Zwane risk fracturing dressing room harmony and alienating a passionate support fan base. Pre-season is more than just a fitness camp, it's an audition. For players like Terence Mashego, Kano Cupido, Batusi Obas, Siyabonga Mabena, Tapelo Maseko, and goalkeeper Jody February, this is their moment. Cardoso must resist the temptation to fall back on the last season's regulars and instead foster an environment of genuine competition. Rewarding effort, versatility, and hunger, not reputation, will be crucial. A deep squad will be essential this season, especially with the Africa Cup of Nations also on the horizon. The silence around Peter Shalulile's contract status is becoming deafening. The Namibian striker, once the heartbeat of Sundowns' attack, is now on the periphery under Cardoso's regime. Preferred options like Ikram Reyners, Lucas Ribeiro, and other sales have taken center stage, leaving fans wondering, is this the end of an era? With his deal having reportedly expired at the end of last season, Sundowns are at crossroads, either offer him a new contract with a clear commitment to increase game time or allow one of the PSL's greatest striker to move on with dignity. Shalulile's talent and scoring record demand clarity, not confusion. For Cardoso, the CAF Champions League is unfinished business after falling short with Esperance in 2024 and again with Sundowns last season. The 51-year-old is desperate to go one step further. This season, he must structure his entire campaign with continental success in mind. That means smart rotation, minute management, and making brave calls even when they ruffle feathers. Sundowns have depth, pedigree, and the ambition. What they need now is precision. Champions League success won't come by accident. It will require ruthlessness, resilience, and a coach willing to take calculated risks for the greater prize. Miguel Cardoso's first full preseason at the helm is not just about preparation, it's about transformation with a high-stakes domestic calendar and a CAF crown in their sights. This is the season where Sundowns either evolve into a continental powerhouse under Cardoso or risk stalling at the final hurdle once again. The clock is ticking and all eyes are on Leeuwkop. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.